In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to review a document in Microsoft Word. Reviewing your work is an important step in creating clear, professional, and error-free documents. Whether you're checking for spelling mistakes, giving feedback, or collaborating with others, Microsoft Word provides powerful tools to make the process smooth and efficient. To begin, open Microsoft Word on your computer and load the document you want to review. Once your file is open, take a look at the top of your screen and locate the ribbon. This is where you'll find all the main features you need. From there, click on the Review tab, which contains all the tools designed specifically for proofreading and collaboration. One of the first tools you should use is the Spelling and Grammar Checker. By selecting this option, Word will scan your document for any errors. As it moves through the text, it will highlight possible mistakes and suggest corrections. You can choose to accept the suggested changes, ignore them, or add certain words to your dictionary if they are correct but unfamiliar to the system. Another essential feature is Track Changes. When this is turned on, every edit you make in the document will be recorded. This includes additions, deletions, and formatting adjustments. This is especially useful when working with others, as it allows everyone to see exactly what has been modified. You can also leave feedback by using the Comments feature. Simply highlight the text you want to comment on and add your note. These comments will appear in the margin, making it easy for others to read and respond without changing the original content. As you go through the document, you'll have the option to accept or reject any changes that have been made. This gives you full control over which edits remain in the final version. If you need to compare two versions of a document, you can use the Compare tool. This will show you the differences between files, helping you quickly identify updates or revisions. For a cleaner view while reviewing, you can switch to a simpler display mode that hides some of the markup, making the document easier to read. And that's how you review a document in Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to try it out yourself. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.